Hello pet lovers. Today, we're excited to introduce the Baderke 2PC ceramic raised cat bowls, designed for both food and water, featuring an elevated and tilted design that ensures your cat's comfort while eating and helps protect their neck. These bowls are crafted from high-quality ceramics for durability, and they come with a silicone non-slip mat to keep everything stable and mess-free. The soothing gradient colors of pink and blue-purple add a vibrant touch to your pet's feeding area, while the gray silicone mat complements the aesthetic beautifully. The slanted design not only reduces strain on your cat's neck but also minimizes beard contact, allowing food to fall to the center for a more enjoyable dining experience. Cleaning is a breeze with the smooth ceramic surface, making it easy to wipe away any food residues or stains, and the silicone mat ensures that the feeding area remains tidy. Whether you're serving kibble, wet food, treats, or water, these bowls are versatile enough to meet all your pet's needs. Give your furry friend the dining experience they deserve with these stylish and functional cat bowls. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.